I found Autoscope 10 years ago when I bought my baby. I had heard about them from other friends that had BMWs and Mercedes and other European cars. I didn't want the dealership experience. I wanted a little more personal attention and care for the car like I gave it at home. So I found Autoscope and I've been happy ever since. The service that Autoscope has given me has been very personalized. I want to understand what the issues are, what the potential issues might be, and they're very patient with me and explain things to me and give me the feeling that I'm part of the solution. I fell in love with the M Coupes when they first came out. Didn't have the opportunity to purchase one until 2008 and found this one in Terrell, I believe. Never been tracked, still has never been tracked. Original stock except for the wheels, which I had powder coated by Autoscope in the black just to make it a little bit more of a statement. It's my toy, it's my baby. I do all of the cosmetic care for it and I let Autoscope take care of all the mechanicals, and we're a happy camper. Morning, nurses.
How are
you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Are you looking fine?
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
I do appreciate the fact that early in the experience with Autoscope, I met Nurses, and he made quite an impression on me. He's passionate about the cars. He's passionate about the people that are passionate about their cars. So it just translates to all of his employees. Chris here, Liz here, all of the technicians. I've interfaced with most over the last 10 years, and all are just as excited about working and maintaining the machines as Nurses is, and that's fantastic. The older and the more unusual, I think, is right on the specialty of Autoscope. There weren't many of these cars made. I take it to the dealership and it's an oddity. I take it here and they know the serial number and the VIN. They know how it's put together. They know how to put it back together. I appreciate that. And because it is a rather odd model, it doesn't faze them a bit. They take it right in stride. They're experienced, they're qualified, they're certified. You can go through the whole gamut. If somebody had a new car, a European car, that they were concerned about maintaining and keeping in the best possible condition, I would advise them, obviously, take it to Autoscope. Autoscope is going to give you better service, more personal service. You're not going to be a number. And the quality of the work and the assurance of the work and the warranty on the work is going to be better than what you can get in the dealership.
Autoscope, trust and value the way car repair should be.